Okay, I am going to take us through the handout that I pulled together about making descriptions. So, Kershis Yenu Erodi. I'm going to share my screen. Okay, so you should have this same biljog yourselves. Kershis Erodi in describing things. To describe somebody, the way you say that is Kershis Errodegen or Kershis Yenu Errodegen. And a description is a Kershis. So Kershis Arngorsa, a course description. What is needed to make a good description? Well, I've broken it down into a few things, so let's walk through these. Kama isicule, physical appearance. You could talk about maids, kruch and dah, so size, shape, and color. Here are some words for maids that decide things. Ulwar, enormous. More, you know that one. Massahamor, rather big. Bjog and anbjog. Kro, here are some common shapes. Kryn, that's round. Kirklach, circular. Kernogach, square. Triantanach, triangular. Ovrochach, oval. Drunilogach, rectangular. And then here are a number of colors. This is mostly Connacht pronunciation. Dove, Bon, Lia, Jarig, Orosja, Bui, Glas, Garam, Karkra, Bonjarig. And I realize this could also be a good place to show Dun, D-O-N-N, which is brown. As I often say, having pairs, learning adjectives in pairs can be very helpful to remember them. So we have some pairs here that you might not have seen before, and some should look familiar. Tuv and tani. That's thick, like thick soup, for example. Tuv agus tani, or a book could be tuv. Doracha and gyal. Ard agus ishel. Kohramanach. Ingerach. Or maybe it would be simpler to think of them as in a lee, lying down or horizontal, agus in a hasa, standing up, vertical. Lahan agus cuil. Ard no glorach is loud. Cuan is quiet or silent. Jirach, straight. Kurha, curved. Lubha, looped. Dawan, deep. Dawan, shallow. Let's look at the next page. Come on. So in addition to size, shape, and color, it's often useful to talk about how things feel. Tile, how it feels when you put your hand on it. Uigacht, texture. Chocht, temperature. Tasha, wetness. So here we have te and fur. It should be F-U-A-R, not F-U-A-I-R. Somebody made a batoon. So te agus fur, hot and cold. Trum, atrum, that's heavy and light. Mean, garav, that's fine or smooth. And rough. Crua agus bug. Crua is hard, bug is soft. Fluch, tash, and tirim. Wet, damp, and dry. Schlauen is slippery. Grammihach is sticky. Brisk can mean brittle, crisp, or crunchy. Kluach is fuzzy or furry. Solupa is flexible, Rein or crua can be used for stiff or hard. Scuilte is loose, like wearing your hair loose, or clothing that fits in a way that's loose. Tian or kung is tight. Bierig or gear is pointed. Crin or muil is blunt. Codagerud, often parts of a thing are handy to give a good description. So bar, top, bar. Tiv, side of something. Bun or bun, spelled both ways. Bun means base, like the base of a trophy. Bun, bonn, is a bottom of something. Antivesti is the inside of something, and antivmui is the outside of something. It can also be as simple as indoors and outdoors. Another way to look at things and describe them is gneha hushelta. So social aspects of things, cost, connotation, value, if you like, things that we impose on, judgments that we impose on things. So seer agus dear or costasach, you know those, inexpensive or expensive. Dunta agus oscalte, closed and open. Cochinta, common. Navcochinta, uncommon, not typical. Nuamshaha is modern. Shanamshaha is old-fashioned. Casta and Shimply, we've seen those. Taringtach, agus grana, attractive and ugly. Neta, agus míhlachtwer. Neta is neat, míhlachtwer is messy. And you can also do a good job of describing something by taking into consideration úsáid agus dhéanamh, how it is made and what you do with it or who uses it. So déanta as means made from or made out of, and you could put almost anything with it, and you don't have to do any changes to the start of the words. There's no initial mutations after as. So déanta as paper, made out of paper. Déanta as aimed, made of wood. Déanta as mittel, made of metal. Love is a handle. Marhampla love buckades, the handle of a bucket. Full of and lawn, we've seen before. You can say lawn de whatever it is. So buckade, lawn de Coca-Cola, a bucket full of Coca-Cola. Okay, finishing up, here are some strategies for giving a description of something. Why do we need this? Why do we need all this? Because sometimes you won't know the exact word for a thing. And maybe you do know the exact word for a thing, but the person you're talking to doesn't have that vocabulary. So you're going to have to explain it. So it's very handy to be able to explain things and describe things. So, kada yenen tu leshan rud. What do you do with this thing? Marhampla, kurin tu the lava a. You put it on your hands. Kurin tu sachafe. You put it in coffee. Brun tu you press on it. Tarangian tu you pull it or draw on it. Draw in this sense of pull. Usajan tu chun ex ayena. This is super, super useful. For scissor, a scissors. Usajan tu chun paper ayara. You use it to cut paper. That construction is something that you can use over and over again. Usajan tu chun ex ayena. Cá amsíonn tú an rud seo dígnál? Ask yourself this question. Where do you normally find this thing? Mar hampla, bíonn ceann an sa chisteann faoin dortal. There's often one in the kitchen underneath the sink. So it could be a buskabrúsker. It could be a wastebasket. Cé a úsáidin é? Cén fá? Who uses it? Why? Úsáidin íoscara é chun íosc a thuairt amach as an uisce. A fisherman uses it to get a fish out of water. So maybe that's a fishing rod, or maybe it's a net. You know, the net's on the end of a handle. Oh, you could say that it has a lámh, a handle on it. Cén uair a úsáidin daoine é? When do people use it? Ús mar hampla, úsáidin tú é seo nuair atá tú ag cuine. You use this when you're crying. Well, maybe that's what you need. Maybe what you need there is a Kleenex, a tissue. And last suggestion here, Jane comparage le rud elle. Make a comparison, compare it to something else. Tá sé cosúil le, it is similar to, or it is like. Tá sé cosúil le scoob, it's like a broom or brush. Tá sé cosúil le scoob ach I bhfad níos lú, but much smaller, agus an wug and very soft. So those are my suggestions for how to do good descriptions.